So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add WhatsApp chat in Duda website. So once you're building your Duda website, go to your website builder on duda.com. After that you can see layers, themes, pages, widgets. Now if you click on widgets, from here you can search for them, but I suggest you can just scroll down and find this widget here. So once you open up and find where you want to place that WhatsApp chat, so let's say here, you will see this. Now from there, let's open up a different website. So you can use a different third-party tools to create widgets. So you can create here premium widgets plus for your website. So you can create stuff on Common Ninja, you can use Elfsight, you can use some other pages as well. So I'm just going to show you through here. So if I go to Elfsight on there, I can go to catalog and I can just search for WhatsApp chat. So you can see here it says bestseller. I can open it up and I can just choose a template, which will then I can continue with that, and then from there I will get a URL and I can just paste it on here. I can also go to dev mode for this and set up my HTML content in a better way. So I can just paste it through there and add stuff to do the website. Mainly this way will be WhatsApp chat. So just go to widgets and go to HTML. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda website or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.